Most shoes have a thicker sole at the heel than at the forefoot. This difference in thickness, known as the effective heel height, must be considered when aligning the prosthesis. We recommend using a heel height gauge to measure the sole thickness. Measure and note the heel sole thickness using the shorter part of the gauge. When shoes with deep sole profiles are used, always measure at the thickest point of the sole. Insert the longer part of the gauge into the shoe to measure the forefoot sole thickness and note the value. To calculate the effective heel height, subtract the forefoot thickness from the heel thickness. Finally, enter the result in the connectgo.pro app.